Hey friends, this is Andy Whitehurst, one of the pastors with Seventh-day Press. I just wanted to take a moment to share something really exciting with you. Over the past year, Seventh-day Press has started hosting camp meetings across North America under the theme, Restoring Adventism. And every single time thus far, God has shown up in powerful ways, bringing people back to the foundation of eternal truth. And now, we're doing it again, this November the 12th through the 15th, right here in South Carolina. 3 full days of spiritual food, fellowship, and time in God's creation. Preaching, prayer, and study combined with hiking, camping, canoeing, and time at Camp Kinard's peaceful lake. Evening campfires for fellowship, testimonies, and reflection. We have options for every budget. Motel-Style Rooms, each has 2 double beds and a bathroom. Linens, pillows, and towels provided. We also have the summer Camp Cottages option with twin bunk beds, sleeping 8 per side. So like a dormitory style, we have a men's side and a women's side with 2 bathrooms each. We also have RV sites beside the lake with water, electricity, and a bathhouse. We even have primitive tent camping for the adventurous. We can provide the meals for you if you purchase a meal ticket. We have done our best to provide something for every budget so everyone can take part of this wonderful camp meeting. Spots are filling up, but we still have some left. So if you've been thinking about it, don't put it off. This is your opportunity to be a part of what God is doing here. To register and get more details, send us an email at info@seventhdaykpress.org. We can't wait to meet you in person and share this blessed time together. Join us November 12 to 15 at Camp Kinard, South Carolina for the Restoring Adventism Camp Meeting.